Smart, connected, and autonomous, the future of rail mobility in India looks promising, with the latest rail technologies and innovations heralding faster, greener, and seamless commutes for an unparalleled travel experience. Hitachi Rail in India is partnering in visionary initiatives like high-speed rail and dedicated freight corridors to usher in a new era in passenger and freight transport.
Hitachi Rail is committed to transforming India's mobility landscape, and our partnership with DFCCIL is a testimony towards this endeavor. Western DFC paves the way for India's largest industrial belt that will accelerate the modal shift in reducing carbon footprint for achieving the mission of safer, digital, and greener railways.
For Hitachi Rail STS India, passenger comfort comes first. We have always strived to use innovation and technology to create a better experience for our passengers.
Hitachi India, which has been a cohesive part of Indian Railways' legacy since 1953, is proud to be working in collaboration with the Government of India as the nation progresses to emerge as one of the leading economies of the world.